The National Information Technology Development Agency, NITDA, has saw the successful adoption of voters' card and card readers for the last general election in Nigeria, who formed part of the focus of eNigeria 2015 conference. The 3-day conference, scheduled for November 17 to 19, has its theme towards an effective electoral process in Nigeria, the role of local content. Announcing the plan for this year's conference, the agency's Director of Corporate Strategy and Research, Dr. Vincent Olatunji, said eNigeria 2015 will seek to assess the impact of ICT in Nigeria's electoral process and the role of local content.
We are really focusing on the benefits of ICT to electoral process in Nigeria. That is building on the gains of the 2014 elections in Nigeria, and we all know that the important role that ICT played. We are looking at how we can really improve on what we achieved through that.
Olatunji reviewed the NITDA would draw from its recent experiences of participating at other global IT events, such as GITEX, ITU, CEBIT, Stage Superb Exhibition and Conference.
I tell you that we are already discussing with the World Trade Center, the organizers of GITEX. We are looking at how they can even be part of Nigeria this year, because we believe we don't know it all. We don't have answers to everything. You know that the UAE is really moving ahead in the area of ICT, in fact, in everything they are doing. And we are working with them to say, okay, you guys, what technologies do you have? What services do you have? Even to the level of looking for investors who may want to be involved, or who may want to invest in innovations that are coming out of Nigeria. And these are the things that I believe we can get from it. And not only UAE, even the Western world too. People, organizations that can work with us to enhance what we are doing in Nigeria.
The membership of the LOC are drawn from various ICT bodies, including the Nigeria Computer Society, Computer Professionals of Nigeria, the media, other interested groups with representations of other ministries, departments and agencies. Some members of the local organizing committee speak on expectations for the event.
Our primary focus will be local content, trying to promote some of the Nigerian companies that have come up with applications and ICT products, definitely. Not only that, we'll also showcase some other companies that are within Nigeria also. I mean, the bigger players will also be showcased.
The subcommittee members are basically looking at how can we identify very unique, innovative solutions in ICT, and then to bring them to eNigeria 2015. And not just to bring them to come and showcase their products or solutions or services, whatever they've come up with, but also to make them pitch at the event to the audience of participants at that event.
eNigeria is the nation's premier IT annual flagship event, which brings stakeholders together with the aim of showcasing and promoting Nigeria's viable but largely under-tapped ICT sector potentials. The objective of the conference is in line with the mandate of NITDA towards promoting increased patronage of locally made ICT products.